This is Sam. Sam is a sea dragon. Sea dragons are fish and belong to a family that includes pipefish and seahorses. Sea dragons only live in the waters around southern Australia. Sea dragons are incredibly beautiful, and Sam seems to know this. I think Sam's a little bit vain. But Sam's not especially smart. Sam should eat plankton. But there's plastic in the sea. Don't eat the plastic, Sam. Like I said, Sam's not especially smart. So it's up to us to prevent Sam encountering plastics. Are your students up to the task of helping save Sam's sea dragon?